Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jason and you're watching my channel Micro Investor. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about a very popular EV stock that not a lot of people really knew much about just a couple months ago, and that is QuantumScape, ticker symbol QS. So this isn't the first time I've gone into any sort of detail about QuantumScape. I just recently talked about them in a video about the Apple car and how that has helped boost QuantumScape's stock. But I went into more detail about QuantumScape in a video a while back ago before their merger. They were a SPAC stock and they were merging with the Blank Check Company. By that time, the ticker was KCAC if you wanted to get a head start on the stock. But now that's kind of irrelevant because they have finished their merger and they are trading under their own ticker symbol QS. Now, if you're not familiar with what QuantumScape does, is they build lithium metal solid state batteries for electric vehicles. And what these batteries are, the whole point of these batteries is they're able to charge faster than the current lithium ion batteries that are in EVs. They're able to charge 80% of the battery in 15 minutes on a battery that can get 300-mile plus range. So a lot more competitive to what ICE vehicles are getting. And not only that, these solid state batteries can be built smaller and also weigh less. So that's another big benefiting factor for these batteries as well. So let's take a little bit of a dive into QuantumScape, look at their stock, see a little bit about what they're doing, and in the end, I'll give my opinion about the stock. Now, this isn't any sort of financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion, so be sure to do your own due diligence. But I hope this video is helpful in some sort of way. Anyways, as we get into it, though, please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. And also, as always, please subscribe if you have not already. And if you want to help out this channel even more, I do have a Patreon with a new private Discord chat. Link is in the description. Now let's get to it. Now, one of the big things that's really helping out QuantumScape right now is that Apple recently announced that they were going to be getting more into the EV business, and they're going to be building a vehicle, and they're looking to partner with companies to help them do so. And the way that they described the battery technology that they were looking to have in their vehicles is very similar to the technology that QuantumScape does have, or that they're working on. So that is helping drive QuantumScape's stock even more, but their stock was already on a pretty big rally. So let's take a look at the stock. So keep in mind that this was a stock that just finished a SPAC merger not that long ago, and the stock was trading for around $20 a share, even in the middle of November, and it just had this really big run. As you can see, it would go up, and then it would have some pullback, and then it would continue running again, and then it would have some pullback. And right here is where Apple made the announcement that they were going to be building an EV, and that's where people got even more bullish on QuantumScape, and it had this huge spike here, and then as you see, it had some pullback, and now it's continuing a run again. But one thing is, though, you have to keep in mind, this is a stock that was trading for around $20 a share, not that long ago, and now it's recently gone up to over $125. Right now it's trading at $114 and some change, and their market cap is $41.7 billion, which makes them one of the most valuable companies in the EV space, and also a very valuable company in the vehicle space in general. They have a market cap that is higher than Ford and GM as well. And another thing is that QuantumScape's battery technology isn't even available to purchase yet. So you have to keep that in mind, that this is a company that doesn't have a product available for sale yet they have a market cap that is higher than Ford's and GM's market cap. So just something to think about actually when in investing in this company, in my opinion. Now let's take a look over at their management team. So they have Jagdeep Singh as the founder and CEO of the company, but in general, everybody on management is very highly intelligent. They all have really good degrees. Majority of them have degrees from Stanford, it looks like. But at the same time, it also has some people that are from some pretty big companies, some well-known companies that are also involved with the management here. They even have J.B. Straubel from Tesla that is involved in this company. But as far as some of their big investors, they have Volkswagen is a major investor into them, as well as Bill Gates, got into an early round of investing with them. Now, as far as some numbers here, they have $1.5 billion of committed capital with over $300 million spent on development to date. They have 10 years of research and development invested. They were founded in 2010. They have 250 plus employees that are part of a world-class next-gen battery team. And they have 200 plus patents that are in materials and use and process. They have extensive trade secrets that are for their process and intellectual property. Now, Volkswagen is very invested into QuantumScape, and they're looking to eventually utilize this technology into their own EVs that they're making. Volkswagen plans to invest $38 billion in electric mobility by 2024, and plans to launch 70 electric vehicle models and produce 22 million electric vehicles by 2029. Volkswagen CEO said, Volkswagen has become the largest shareholder of QuantumScape. Our US $100 million investment is a key building block in the group's battery strategy. One of the long-term targets is to establish a production line for solid-state batteries by 2025. Now, one of the biggest things that makes people not interested in buying electric vehicles right now is the cost of the vehicles, the range of the vehicles, and how long it takes the batteries to charge. So QuantumScape is looking to help break that barrier there and make it more similar to what people are getting with ICE vehicles. So at the moment right now, ICE vehicles make up 98%. Electric vehicles are only 2% market share. And so this is going to allow a 300-mile range, fast charging, charge in 15 minutes for an 80% battery, help the vehicle cost come down to $30,000 for a 300-mile range electric vehicle, and the batteries are going to last 12 years or 150,000 miles. And these batteries are much safer than the standard lithium-ion batteries that are out right now. So QuantumScape's ultimate plan is basically to make EVs more affordable to the mass market and make something that is very reliable and very similar to what people are getting with ICE vehicles. And also, their technology is going to be able to make the batteries even smaller than they are right now, lighter than they are already, like what a Tesla has. They're very heavy batteries, so QuantumScape's technology will make the batteries smaller, have more room in these vehicles. So there's a lot of benefiting factors with the technology that QuantumScape has. And I also want to point out that they're not saying that their batteries are only going to be able to go for 150,000 miles in their lifetime. They're saying that that's about where the wear and tear is going to really show on the batteries after about 800 charges. They're expecting people to use these just like they would for filling up at a gas station, to charge as needed situations, not put it on the charger every single day. Charge as needed, 800 charges over its lifetime, and that's when about you'll see wear and tear on the battery. So really cool stuff in my personal opinion. Now, as far as my thoughts on QuantumScape, I like the people that are involved in this company. I like everything that they're doing. And I was also invested in them before their merger. So when the stock was at a much lower price, was when I did pick up a little bit of shares, just a small handful though. And it's nothing that I'm planning on selling anytime soon, because QuantumScape is something that you're buying for the future. Their product isn't going to be out for 4 years at least. So you're buying something that you're expecting to hold on for to see any sort of big results in this company. And when I think about that, when I think about how much the stock has gone up here in this short period of time, I think about where Tesla was when I was buying Tesla, in 2019, when Tesla was had a market cap that was below the market cap of QuantumScape right now, and Tesla was selling over 360,000 vehicles at that time. So is QuantumScape right now worth more than Tesla was in 2019 when they were selling, hundreds of thousands of vehicles? My personal opinion, no. But I think QuantumScape is a great stock. I think you're investing in the future. But anything could really happen between now and when their product comes out. So that's something that we're going to have to wait and see. Would I end up buying more shares of QuantumScape? More than likely. But it's not anything that I'm going to be rushing out to buy stock in a company that doesn't have a product available right now. So with that being said, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts on QuantumScape. Is this a stock that you're already invested into or looking to invest into? And if you are already invested into QuantumScape, what price did you buy in at? I'd like to know, so please let me know. So anyways, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon.